Hi,
hey everybody, we're back. It's been a while.
Bitches in charge.
We are here with another amazing keto dish. Oh, chipped beef over keto jalapeno cheese biscuits. So we are so excited.
I haven't ate all day, so I'm ready.
Glass of wine. Yes, I changed my hair.
Isn't it pretty? 10 years younger. And I need to get mine done.
Leave a comment below if you like my hair, if you like it the way it is now. My daughter's getting ready to get married, and that was one of her requests, so I thought I would do that for her. So cheers.
We got our dresses.
Cheers to our lunch.
We're gonna have a wedding, and we're gonna eat.
And we've been so busy.
This recipe was inspired by.
Oh, when we were children, we got Banquet chipped beef for dinner. Oh. And our Banquet chipped beef, we would poke holes in that frozen stuff, and then we would, remember, we would microwave it and pour it over just a piece of white bread. So that is childhood memories for us. But this is keto version, and you have seen me cook this, not me personally, but you watched me cook this. It's super easy. The keto jalapeno cheese biscuits are to die for. And I better try this before she eats it all. Does it remind you of our childhood? Serious?
I did not eat all day for a reason.
Oh, I dropped my dropped my napkin.
Gosh.
Ooh, boy.
I'm just like, nothing can bother me. This is everything.
Good. I can't wait to try it.
I didn't expect it to taste this good. Seriously, I'm not joking.
Really? Oh, by the way, this is in my new cookbook.
This is like
recipe.
Complete comfort food.
Isn't it yummy?
Oh my gosh.
Ooh. So the beef, the dried chipped beef. And
what is my life right now? This is delicious.
Creamy.
Oh, look at the corned beef is in there.
Jalapenos in the biscuits, the keto biscuits.
Is that what I'm tasting?
Spicy.
Because I didn't expect the biscuits to taste so good. And they have a kick.
And they're made with coconut flour.
They have something had a kick, and I was like...
Cheddar cheese.
Oh,
anyway, you'll get the recipe.
Gosh.
I'll
Cheers
have the
to you,
recipe
sister. Good
down
job.
below.
Good job. It's amazing.
You better buy my cookbook, because you're missing out.
I know. This is really good. Bella even is begging for it.
Is she? Well, we'll have to give her some.
We'll get you some at the end, Bella.
This is amazing. Good. I'm glad you like it.
I really did not expect it to be.
Either that or you're just starving to death, so anything would taste good. Oh, look at that.
Well, it is what time is it in the afternoon?
It's 1.
It's 1 o'clock and I haven't had anything today.
1:11. 3 1s. That's magical.
That's a magic number.
This is magical recipe. And it's magical being with my sister.
Yeah, we haven't seen each other in a while. I love you too. We've been both so busy that we haven't seen each other.
Kids and wedding planning and parties and I'm telling you what, we've been doing a lot of stuff. Trying to take care of ourselves too. We've been doing some good R&R for ourselves.
Oh my gosh. Life is beautiful.
But it's fun to be back.
Oh my gosh. And I was like, sign me up.
That tastes just like, well, now I'm gonna go ahead and, because I cooked it, so I gotta say this tastes way better than Banquet when we were kids. Butter and
whatever you put in the gravy and the biscuits and
to thicken it up, I use Xanthan Gum, and that's not a flour, and that's a really, really good way to thicken anything, gravies and stuff.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Even Bella loves it. She's begging for it.
We'll have to give her a little dish.
I keep giving her a taste, and she's like...
That's why she didn't want her other
She doesn't want it. Yeah, she tried to give her some sausage, and she's like,
Girl, I'm a bougie dog and I want that, what you're eating.
Well, would you
don't try to fool me.
Would you eat leftover stuff or would you eat yummy stuff? I got a neighbor dog that likes to bark every time we do a video. By the way, we've been swapping back to her house and my house. We're at my house today.
We're at Maria's.
We're just hanging out.
Realin's World.
Realin's World. We're hanging out. I got the front door open, letting the cool breeze come through, and it feels so good. So good. Feels good to be back on the camera again. Feels good to eat. I like to eat.
You know what's great is taking a break and then coming back. You appreciate it so much more because we took a break because life got really busy.
Yeah, we were doing them back to back to back, and not that it's a bad thing. It's just it's a lot of work, and it's good work, but it's a lot of work. So this is the way I love to eat. I love to eat keto. I don't do it all the time, but
Bella's like, give me a whole plate of that. She freaking
really
loves
we
that.
We'll give her a whole plate when this video's done. So I want to hear the comment below. Let me know what you think about my hair. If it's a go, if it's not.
If you like these mukbangs.
Like it, if you like this mukbang, if you like.
Share these videos with your friends so her channel can grow. We're working really hard to try to get her channel to grow. And
share the recipes with your family.
Share it. Just if nothing else, just to hear our wonderful personalities.
If nothing else,
or if nothing else, just about our wonderful outfits.
Oh, I don't have a wonderful
outfit. I did
outfit.
a fashion show today, and so I've got this wonderful summer dress on. I did a poolside fashion show today.
Because I've been cooking it. Probably has stains all down the front of it, so cheers to me.
So share these.
Look at the two squirrels chasing themselves. Look, one's chasing the other one. My squirrels at my house are skinny.
My squirrels are fat.
I
overfeed them. I feed them a lot.
She feeds them by the gallons and buckets of peanuts.
I had to buy on Amazon these huge bags. I have so many squirrels and birds. Huge bags of
yummy
sunflower seeds and mixed nuts.
Well,
and so
those
I got it on my skirt.
That's okay. I probably have it all over. This is hard to stop. This is so good. It's got a little kick of spicy.
I feel like I died and went to heaven.
If you don't like spicy when you make my cheesy biscuits, you don't have to put the jalapenos in there. You could put bacon crumbles in there.
Loves it.
And
it's dog approved.
I know. And it's dog friendly. If you feed, it's real food, real yummy, creamy butter.
So this is easy. You just make it all, put it all together, and then you put it in the middle of your table, and you say, "Here you go, family."
Oh.
And then the family just gets a plate of what they like.
Get a big old spoon, and they'll scoop up one of the biscuits or 5 of the biscuits with the sauce on the top of it, and it's a meal in itself. Add a salad to it. You're done. Done. Done.
I don't even care.
I like easy.
I don't even care about the salad at this point with this comfort food. I just am fine with just this. Oh my God.
So what you been up to lately? Getting all your house done?
Mm-hmm.
Getting everything all put in place and order?
Yeah.
So you don't have to do home construction anymore? That's what we've been doing too.
Got my mirrors put in my home gym. Now I got to get somebody over to measure my weird shaped pool and get a cover for it before winter time. And then I've got to get my fireplace, the gas insert put in before winter. And so I'm loving it. My lawnmower just stopped working, the string.
We'll have to figure it out. It's probably just jammed. You probably
I jammed it the last time. So those are the things when you live alone that you're just like, oh my God, when a problem happens.
Well, you got to figure out the problem.
You got to figure out the problem.
You just pull it, and if it doesn't pull, it's broken.
I pull it, and it's not pulling. So today was lawn day, and it wouldn't pull. So I'm like, okay, now what?
We'll probably figure it out. Wow. So
this is a good
5.
Yeah, 5 out of 5. Yeah, definitely make this, people. And it fills you up. It's comfort.
I'm full. I don't think I can do anymore. This is a whole nother.
It's comfort.
Another meal for 2 meals for us probably. But after her pup gets it, might be gone.
I'm giving some to Bella on my plate.
Well, let me do that on.
She'll just lick it. It's like a plate. It's not on her carpet.
All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you guys leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about my new hair color. And try this recipe for your family. For a second. Try this recipe for your family, and make sure and subscribe and share this recipe with everybody. Hit the bell above. Never miss one of our videos. Talk to you later, guys. Have a